Okay guys, so all done. Nice. You did an amazing job, Babu. मुंह निकल रहा है तो सही करूँ
करड़ा डूंगर का घड़ी ओ करड़ा डूंगर का घड़ी बिवाटन तेवारी आदा लक लतीफ चे यज्ञा पर सुजे बारी ओ मंजिल जी मारी वो तू कादर साई के
Welcome back to my channel. Okay, another week, another vlog, but this vlog is a bit different because I am going to share a very special chapter of our life with you all as we pack up in Windsor and moving to Norfolk. So I was super excited to share this beautiful journey with you all. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Okay, so this is what we brought for the packing. Nice. So we are officially starting our packing for Norfolk. So these are our Cisco switch boxes that we are using. We brought them from work. This is the situation of our locker. We need to sort out everything. First, we are gonna start from living room. So we are almost done. We just need to clean up this mess. And this is our temporary setup. Okay, so we are going to have haldi milk with these treats my mummy made. This is chicky. It is made up from all the dry fruits and jaggery powder. Homemade protein bar. This is our milk. Everything is set. Okay, we are going to enjoy our breakfast. And it was raining in the morning. The time is Saturday today. I just came to office to take my stuff. Sanjay already got his stuff from his office, but I didn't. Okay, this is my office, and the idea is to take all this stuff and clean up. I'm just going to clean up my office and take the stuff that I need, and it's gonna take maybe around half an hour, and then we're gonna go home and start packing again. Okay, so this is the final look. All clean, everything is good, nice. And heading to Norfolk around 10 a.m. because we need to cross the border, and we have our all the moving stuff in the car, and we are super excited for our new chapter. So anyways, everything is done in here. Time to leave. Thank you, office. Bye bye, office. Good evening, guys. Okay, so it is Saturday today. Time is 10:30. I just woke up from a nice nap. We went to sleep around 7:30. These days it is extremely tiring. Moving is fun, but it is a bit tiring as well. So this is the situation. We have decided to take this with us for our walk-in closet there. And I really like these two tables, console and coffee table. The furniture is gone, but we have decided to keep some of the pieces. We're going to take these pieces with us to Norfolk. We just woke up. Now we are going to have coffee and start packing the remaining stuff. So our clothes and kitchen we still need to pack, and we are going to load that stuff to U-box that we got from U-Haul box. So the price of the one U-box was $2,400 from here to Norfolk, and if you add another one, then it is going to be additional $600. So we got two U-boxes. So I think those two should be enough for all of our stuff. I will show you those two boxes when we go and load our stuff, because we didn't want to waste our butter. So I'm making ghee, and I'm gonna make Amri chutney and fish rice and dal. And the time is 1 a.m. Not too sure about this mirror, but probably I'm gonna take this one as well. Those two paintings and those. So yeah, look at these flowers. They look super fresh, still fresh. Okay, so the time is 10 to 5, and this is the situation, and this is all the kitchen stuff. I mean, that one is a donation stuff. That's our luggage. And this is we are going to take to our temporary home. So yeah, extremely tired. Tomorrow it all should be sorted. Okay, so now we are going to have our so-called breakfast or dinner. We are going to have our food, and we are going to sleep. And then tomorrow we have to wake up early because we have to load all this stuff in this U-box. Monday morning 10 a.m. we are going to leave for Norfolk. So okay, that's pretty much it for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
करड़ा डूंगर का घड़ी ओ करड़ा डूंगर का घड़ी.
Okay, so this is the situation of our U-box. We have another one as well. So basically, so we rented two of them. One was for $2,400, and if you add another one, the second one would be $600. So we are still loading the first one, and I think we are not going to need another one. So maybe we are going to return it. Okay guys, so now just a few more boxes left, and then we're going to load it. We woke up around 11:30, and we didn't eat, or we didn't had anything, tea or coffee or nothing, because we had our dinner around 6 o'clock in the morning when we were done with the packing and stuff. So now we're gonna go home. So this is the next round. So we are using this time trolley for the boxes. Nice. And this is sort of nice workout for Sanjay today. Food, quick homemade food with limited resources. Nice. Okay guys, so all done. Nice. You did an amazing job, Babu. And time is 12 o'clock. Super duper tiring week. That's Sunday. Tomorrow we have to leave for Norfolk around max 10 a.m. so that we can be on time. Anyways, we are super excited for the Norfolk, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so everything is done, and it is a beautiful day today. So this is the last tour before we leave for Norfolk. Everything is done. Nice. We just forgot about this painting, so yeah, maybe next time. This is our bedroom, walk-in closet, and that's me. Okay, let's go to our new home. Bye bye home. Okay guys, so we have an appointment for our SSN at 2:40. We made it just on time. So we just applied for our social security number, and they said it is going to take 2 to 4 weeks in order to get our card. Okay, now we are going to go to one of the rest stations to eat our food. Today I brought aloo and anda bhurji and roti. So we are at one of the what do you call, the famous, not the famous, one of the favoritist places where we can buy Sanjay's favorite cookies. We have never ever tried cookies like this. Probably they make fresh, I don't know. These are world's best cookies, trust me. Okay guys, so we just had our lunch and then went to Aurora Mall, bought a couple of things. We are going to take a nap, short nap. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful park. Now we are just going to take a nice short nap. Life is short, stay awake for it. So true. So we are going to have coffee. Okay, so this is the room that we got today. Coffee machine, oven, which is good. They have fridge as well. Nice. And this is bathroom. So we are going to stay here for one night, and tomorrow we are gonna go to Norfolk. Now we still need to drive for 5 hours and 45 minutes. Now we are going to get fresh. We are extremely tired since last week. So anyways, now we are going to change, get fresh and sleep. Okay, so now it is dinner time. So we are going to eat our aloo and anda bhurji. Okay, now we are just 5 hours and 20 minutes away from Norfolk. So we just took en route mountains all around. Just 1 hour away from Norfolk. We just stopped by a service center. Wow. So basically this is a fully furnished suite in this hotel, and I am going to give you the tour of this beautiful space where we are currently living. This is our temporary space until we find our own. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.
डूंगर का घड़ी भी वाटन तेवारी